Hi, I'm going to test my little camp stove that I made out of the smallest kind of toolbox that you can get. I had this one in the garage, but I didn't have the top on it. So as you can see, I've drilled like 8 holes on the side, then 2 on the ends there. Then I've got a little top right here that I can put. I've got a couple of different tops, but I'm going to try this one. And we're going to test it out using a fire starter here. I don't want to use the whole fire starter though, because it will waste it. So let's see, I'll just light a half of one. And I've got a bunch of small twigs and stuff here. They make pellets, and they also sell like little sticks of wood, like 3 or 4 inches, that would probably be perfect for this. But for this, we're just testing some old branches from the tree branch stuff. So it is quite smoky and stuff, but just for the test. There we go. So as you can see, if you build a good healthy fire under here, you'll have good cooking space. There's like an 8-inch pan right here. That would work pretty good for that. It's pretty sturdy. Or if you want to get like a ramen sized pot, there you go. Yeah, like I said, get you some good wood, not just branches, you know, but an even fire. Put it all the way across, and you have a good fire there. Good enough to cook anything. See? This would be handy for when you're out somewhere you don't want to make a big fire in a fire pit. Like I said, they sell the smaller clean wood, you know. You can get like, for $10, you get like 5 or 6 pounds of real small chipped pieces of wood and stuff. That would be the way to go. Keep some of those in a bag and ready to burn. And here's the other tip. It's like this. I can sit there like that, like this, but I prefer this way because those edges will catch on there. Keep it sturdy there. But yeah, pretty good. I like it. Okay, so we go like that. That would work good. Yeah, I was looking at those little firebox stoves that they fold all up and stuff, but even when you unfold them and set them all up and stuff, they only have a surface area of like 5 inches barely. So I thought something like this might be better. Anyway, we'll take it on our next trip and we'll see. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.